What's the pros of install BONOSS Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offsets, or a set of larger casters with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels. Wheel spacer can help create extra wheel track width that are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space. The safety of wheel spacer largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improperly fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. So the wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the ring hub holes.
Proper-sized
Mitsubishi Outlander wheel spacers
are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance. 1-inch wheel spacers are relatively safe for
Mitsubishi Outlander,
especially since they are hub-centric spacers. At this thickness, you start to notice subtle changes in the vehicle's appearance and handling. Opt for wheel spacers made from high-strength, durable aluminum alloy material. This material ensures the spacers are lightweight yet strong enough to withstand the pressures of daily driving. High-quality wheel spacers can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.